In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem HSBC Credit Card reward points. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. I'm going to demonstrate this to you on a web browser on your computer. But you can also do this on your phone if you wish. Just go over to the website www.us.hsbc.com if you are in the United States. If you are not a resident of the United States, simply select the corresponding region. The process will be exactly the same. At the website, hover over Banking, and in here, scroll down until you see the HSBC Rewards program. As you can see, it's usually located under the Credit Card Resources. If you cannot find the Rewards program, click the magnifying glass at the top right and look for it. When you select this option, as you can see, you will be redirected to this page that allows you to browse through all the available rewards and understand how it works better. If you want to, feel free to go ahead and read this page. But if you just wish to redeem the rewards, you don't have to log in right now. Simply click Redeem Now and you will be taken to this page. And that is how to redeem HSBC Credit Card reward points. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.